Hey guys, today I have another computer repair. It's an Acer TravelMate Spin 4, and the problem with this laptop is seems like it's powering on but nothing on screen, or is not powering at all. But yeah, I propose that we can check together and see what's going on. Okay, power on. The backlit is seems like it's turning on. Okay, power off, power on again. Some LEDs somewhere. Nope, I cannot see yet. Okay, so it seems like the computer is turning on, but nothing on screen. Let's plug the power. So we have 160 milliamps pre-charge current, and then jumps to 2 amps. So now the laptop is charging. Okay, so at least we know the charging circuit is working. Yeah, indeed, we have LEDs right in the front. The orange light is on, so the charging is okay, and we have the blue LED which shows that the laptop is on. But yeah, we can confirm that nothing is on the screen, so no picture on the screen. Okay, good. I think we pretty much seen the issue with this laptop. So I think yeah, we can go ahead, switch off the laptop, and remove the back cover. Alright, yeah, the black, black the backlit is on. Okay, okay, good. Without losing any more time, let's power off the laptop and remove the back cover. Alrighty, so we have what? We have torque screws. Okay, so I need to change the screwdriver bit, and yep, I use this one. We have a winner. Yep, we do have a winner. Alright, magnet. Okay, let's undo all screws. Okay, the screws, they seem pretty tight, so I need to apply some force, as you can see. Yeah, I think all screws are the same length and thickness, so that's great. Thumbs up, Acer. It's pretty late at night, so I'm a little bit tired. Okay, let's continue with the screws. They are quite some screws here. I think they are total around not 20, but still. Okay, this one puts up a fight, this screw, but yeah, finally, great. Let's go with this one. Next. Alright, two more screws in the bottom. Yeah, we are getting there. And the last screw. Perfect. Good. Okay, let me grab my Pajara, but no, it's the prying tool. As I just said, I'm tired. Alright, we need to go around with the prying tool. This cover should pop off very quickly. Yeah, it's plastic, so shoes. Okay, great. Yep, the back cover is pretty clean. But okay, the motherboard is clean, but as you can see, there are some small issues already. I think that the client is a heavy smoker due to the color of the dust in the fan and the smell. Yeah, it smells a little bit at cigar. What cigarette? Okay, so do you think we have a overheating problem? GPU or something gets toast? Okay, we have a stylus, a pen inside. Great. The Wi-Fi card. Alright, let's try to do the basic method, removing the battery, removing the BIOS battery, and okay, let's try to, oh no, the battery failed. Yeah, typically Acer, no screws on the batteries. Yeah, it seems like the screws are very expensive nowadays. Alright, okay, let me move the battery aside for the moment. Let's press power button for a couple of seconds, try to do like a CMOS reset, and yeah, maybe will be like a quick fix, who knows. We start always with the basics and then we move forward. Okay, the battery is back in place. Yeah, just you need to align with the pins and that's it. Okay, let's plug the battery back. Okay, let's give it a try. Let's press the power on button. Alright, so we have the flashing blue light for power. So what does that mean? Low battery maybe? Okay, let's hook the power supply. Okay, let's see the volts and the amps. Okay, we have 170 milliamps, just going up and down. Alright, there was something there. Alright, still not convinced. Okay, the power jack is fully in. Alright, okay, 2 amps, great. So the battery is charging. Okay, let's press the power on button. Alright, we have the charging LED and the blue light for power on. So the laptop is on, but still nothing on screen as you can see. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Maybe we have a chance. Nope. Nah, he doesn't want to show something on the screen. Great, no problem. We move on. Let's remove the battery. Let's remove the RAM memories. Oh, okay, I think I saw something. Alright, let me bring the microscope. I think we have a small drop of liquid on the RAM memory itself. Okay, microscope, let's see. I think we found the problem, guys. Do you see this green stuff? Yeah, this is liquid damage exactly on the RAM memory itself. So yeah, a little bit of corrosion, and this corrosion ruined the functionality of the laptop. So yeah, if you have like a small drop of liquid on the RAM, or yeah, around the RAM power supply for the RAMs, maybe then you might have this issue. But for sure this yeah, for the second RAM stick that I took and I place it back now, yeah, the second RAM stick is clean, no issues. To be honest with you, I'm curious if we can save the RAM memory itself by cleaning. But first let's try to power on the laptop with the good, hopefully the good RAM memory. Alright, I just plugged the power supply. Let's power on. Let me hold the battery with my hand. I don't want to lose the battery yet again. The laptop is on. Let's see. Let's follow a little bit the amps and the LED status. Maybe we'll have more info. Okay, let's give it maybe a couple of minutes as we just did the okay. It's shut off, it's powering on. Okay, so that's a good sign. This is a sign of CMOS reset. That's great. Okay, the laptop is still on. Okay, it's shut off again. Let's see, it's powering on. Yes, it's powering on. Good, but still no image on the screen. Oh, look, we have a message there. It's flipped anyway. So the computer went off. Now it's on again. So we have the Acer logo. Okay guys, so we have one memory stick which is faulty due to liquid damage. Okay, I need to blur this. And we have the desktop. Great. Alright, there's a message there. Okay, it's in French, so a low battery. So, oh, okay. I'm trying to power off. No. Alright, let me press the power button. Okay. Hold the power on button down. Can we switch off this laptop? Okay, the laptop just switch off. Remove the power supply, the battery connector, and yeah, I think it's a good opportunity to try to save the RAM memory. Who knows, maybe we can save it and we will spare some money to the client. Okay, let me switch to microscope, and as you can see guys, liquid damage on the RAM memory. Great. Let's clean a little bit with some IPA. Where is my IPA? Where is my brush? Okay, right here. Good. Let's pour some IPA. And let's brush a little bit the corrosion, and hopefully this will save the RAM memory. Yeah, I think it's pretty okay. Yeah, let's continue a little bit more. Yeah. So we have what, 8 gigs of RAM on one stick and the other one 8, so in total 16 gigs of RAM. Yeah, that's pretty decent. Okay. Yeah, it's fine for me. Alright, let's dry the RAM memory. Hot air. Perfect. Alright, let me remove the microscope. Let's install the RAM memory inside the slot. Clean out a little bit of the working area. Oh no, the battery again. I completely forgot about the battery. Okay guys, pay attention to the Acer laptops. Some of them, they don't have screws on batteries, so don't want to damage the battery connector on the motherboard, so pay attention on that. Don't be sleepy as me. Okay, let's try to power on, and let's see, maybe we just saved the RAM memory by cleaning with IPA. Okay, I think the battery is kind of funky. Or the battery or the charging circuit, because it's not charging after me plugging the charging cable. It's just staying there, as you can see on the amp meter in the corner, right upper corner. So it's like, and I hear some weird sounds. Okay, 2 amps. So yeah, now it's charging. Okay, went down to 1 amp. Okay, let's see. Do we have the image on the screen with the second RAM stick, which was fixed by cleaning? Is going to be a miracle, to be honest, but yeah, we never know. Yeah, the okay, good. Happy to see the Acer logo. So okay guys, as you saw, just a little bit of cleaning, and yeah, we can save a computer, we can save the RAM stick, and yeah, the laptop is back in working condition. Okay, I might need to blur that again. Okay, it seems like it's in French, so low battery message there. No problem. Okay, more things to blur in the video. Great. Hopefully I will not forget. That was it. I will not keep you here. Thanks for watching guys, and see you on the next one.